Hi, Pat Shingleton, Channel 2 Weather Center. Checking your forecast on this Tuesday night. It's a beautiful night tonight. 53 degrees, the expected low under clear skies. Wednesday starts with clouds and maybe a spit of rain. We're going to target a Wednesday high of 73. We'll bring your low down to 64. And expect showers and thunder showers to possibly crank up late Wednesday afternoon into the evening hours, lasting into early Thursday. Thursday's high 73. We'll look for some daybreak rain, then a clear off and returning rain Friday into Saturday morning. Stay tuned to WBRZ Channel 2 and Cable Channel 18 for updates.